Hi, I'm Dr Charlene from SL Aesthetic Clinic, and today we're stepping into a topic that's been making waves on TikTok: the use of rosemary oil to combat baldness. It's a trend that has caught many people's attention, and in this video, we'll be delving into the science and discussing whether there's any substance behind this viral trend. So if you're curious about rosemary oil's potential impact on hair health, stick around. We're about to embark on an insightful journey. Let's start by dissecting the TikTok trend surrounding rosemary oil and its connection to baldness. Many individuals claim to have regrown their hairline by consistently incorporating rosemary oil into their haircare routine over several months. It's a fascinating phenomenon, but as we know, personal anecdotes, while intriguing, may not always be indicative of a universal solution. Now, let's venture into the scientific realm. What does the research say about rosemary oil and its potential impact on hair growth? Rosemary oil contains compounds such as uracilic acid and rosmarinic acid. These compounds have been said to not only have anti-inflammatory properties, but can promote nerve growth and improve circulation. They have been studied for their potential effects on hair follicles. We'll explore the current body of knowledge and attempt to separate fact from fiction. In 2015, a randomized controlled trial of 100 patients was carried out to compare the effects of rosemary oil versus 2% minoxidil over a period of 6 months. The study showed that there is no significant change in the hair count at 3 months, but both groups experienced increased hair growth at 6 months, with no significant difference between the rosemary group and the minoxidil group. However, the frequency of scalp itching was more frequent in the minoxidil group. Given the promising result of this small study, we can agree that more studies are needed to assess the efficacy of rosemary oil, but most doctors in the US recommend using it with other treatments such as minoxidil, finasteride, or laser. Before considering rosemary oil for hair care, it's crucial to address safety concerns. Are there any potential risks associated with using rosemary oil? What side effects should you be aware of? Responsible information sharing is imperative, and one should approach these trends cautiously. Applying oil directly to the scalp may trigger seborrheic dermatitis and worsen conditions such as dandruff. This occurs as the oil combines with the natural sebum on our scalp, which usually acts as a lubricant. The mixture can then nourish the yeast naturally present on the scalp, leading to irritation, particularly for those susceptible to such issues. Moreover, exploring alternative methods such as minoxidil, finasteride, and Miraca widens the spectrum of solutions for addressing hair loss, offering you a comprehensive view of available options. A number of our energy-based devices that use for facial aesthetics treatments can actually treat hair loss too. In our clinics, we commonly perform Erbium hair laser treatment. Many studies show that low-level laser therapy can improve hair density and stimulate growth. This hair growth treatment uses Erbium YAG non-ablative laser, whereby the thermal heat pulses through the scalp to trigger tissue regeneration and promote new follicle growth. The procedure is generally safe, non-invasive and painless, with little to no adverse effects. It's important to note that individual responses may vary, and the choice between the treatments depend on individuals' circumstances and the specific underlying causes of hair loss. And there we have it, a comprehensive exploration into the rosemary oil trend for fixing baldness. I hope this journey has been insightful and has equipped you with a better understanding of the claims circulating on social media. If you found this information helpful, consider subscribing for more in-depth insight into various health and beauty topics. I'm Dr. Charlene from SL Aesthetic Clinic, urging you to make informed decisions on your journey to well-being. Until next time, take care!